match number 89, drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, go!
We are off on Daly. Barker gonna grab a piece of algae, fire off a piece of coral, 2 coral high onto the red reef. Same over on blue. Mirrored autos so far. Barker with another shot is gonna bounce on over the top. That's gonna be 2 algae for blue, 1 for red. Plenty of coral apiece, but blue's gonna take the advantage here, 52 to 33. Barker's coming back, shooting a piece of algae up and into the barge. The Robo Whales for the Red Alliance using that floor intake to scoop coral up as fast as they can. 2 of 3 red robots have floor intakes, which means we're going to see coral flying onto the field from the human player zones to make those cycles nice and short. Over for our Blue Alliance, it's 80 to 63 with blue in the lead as the Dragons drop off a piece of coral to the top of the reef for 5 points. The Dew Westerners are going to join them, dropping a piece of coral into level 3 for 4 points. Remember, folks, these branches of the reef are worth more in autonomous, but during tally-up, they're worth 5, 4, 2, and 1 from top to bottom. Avalanche coming in now. On to level 2 they go for 2 points. 90-32. Claw is spun around. They're trying to find a piece of algae. They've got one in their clutches. Up it goes and into the barge. Gently does it now. 133 to 112. Red's got some catching up to do as the team from Carey drops their piece of algae and it rolls away. 59-68, Little Apple Cyborgs drop a piece of coral into level 2 of the red reef. Answered in turn by our Blue Alliance as the Dragons go with their piece of coral onto level 2 as well. 90-32, racing around, trying to find their next game piece. Looks like they've got one. It's a piece of algae. They've said pretty good. Into the barge, and it settles down in for 4. 173 to 145. Blue has maintained the lead this entire match. Red's gonna look to try and change that in the end game with 5 seconds left. 46-13 is up. 1 blue robot off the ground. 2 blue robots climbed in the nick of time as time expires. And 200 points to Red's 162. Blue earning 5 ranking points in that match, and the Dew Westerners move up to the 16th position.